was annoying me. I will not help you.
Help me.
No, I don't want to help you.
Please help
me. Oh my God, you have
to help me. Take this bag. Take this bag.
What's inside?
Take it to number 2 Great Street, GRA. Ask for Mr. Tiger. Tell him not to send you. Tell him not to send you. Take the bag.
Lie down. Easy.
What is in that bag?
How will I know, Kwan?
I guess you should open it. We need to know what's in that bag. I don't want anything that will put us into trouble because we already have enough problems to deal with. Please.
Now?
And I'll bring it now. Oh yeah, wait, let me open it. Hold on, guys, if I can even open it. What is... Shimo! Hey!
No! What's happened? Is he dead? Is he dead? Chikube, I think he's dead though. I think he's dead though. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do?
So, what is going on here?
Wait, you people are living here?
No, sir.
You have turned my site to your home.
No, I mean, yes, sir. It's
okay. Stop explaining. See, you should have just told me that you need help now. Just tell me that you need a roof over your head. I would have provided for you. You're a very fine girl. I would have helped you.
I'm very sorry, sir. I did not...
Listen, don't be sorry. See, help me so that I can help you. You know, let's do it that's scratch my back, I scratch your back kind of situation. Just do wait for me. You don't need to dress up.
I cannot scratch your back. Sorry, please.
Wait, you are a very strong girl. I'm sure you can ride me very well. Just let's do
What are you
it.
talking about? Please, sir, I need to dress up. Just leave. I need to dress up. No, sir. Please, I beg you, just leave me alone. Hey! Please, no! What's happened? Is he dead? Wake up! Is he dead?
Chikube, I think he's dead though. I think he's dead though. What do we do? What do we do? What
I think you should go and meet her. Go and meet.
Wait, let's both go. If she comes in here and sees him, we're in big trouble.
I cannot go and meet her because she's going to find out that something is wrong. Just go already before she walks in. Go.
No, stay here.
Don't call anybody. Go.
Muna! Chekube! Where are you people?
Mo, welcome.
How are you? I brought food for you.
Hey,
Yes.
you brought food for us.
Today is Sunday. What better way to celebrate it? Where's your sister?
Thank you. She's inside.
Okay, let's go inside now.
No. She's actually sleeping. She said I shouldn't disturb her, so we can just stay here.
I understand. You know, this job you girls are doing, it's not a job for women. Carrying cement and gravel. This is a work for men. I wish I could help you guys. I wish I could just help you guys. You know?
You've done enough, Ndidi. Thank you so much. You've done enough.
I wish I could see your sister.
Don't worry. After she's sleeping now, and you know we're working hard. She doesn't want me to disturb her.
Okay, just tell her I came, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm just.
Oh yeah, now later. Let me just
Thank
run
you.
along. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Who are you calling?
His phone is ringing. What do we do now? What do we do? What do we do? Hey. Hi. Oh, God. God, I thank you.
Idiot is alive.
God, I thank you. He's alive. Oh, what would we have done? God, I thank you.
You wanted to kill me.
Yes. You deserve to die for trying to rape my sister. Stop. Leave me.
I will deal with you.
You're better off dead. Animal.
I will soon deal with the both of you.
Please leave here. Animal. Yeah, we thought he died.
Kindness and love don't seem to find me. All I see is pain and misery around me. I'm losing my breath and I'm drowning. I wanna know why. Is this the life? Is this the life? losing my mind. Pains that wouldn't go away. Tears drop from my eyes. Uncertainties in my life. I feel like I am fading away. Yeah. Kindness and love don't seem to find me. All I see is pain and misery around me. I'm losing my breath and I'm drowning. I wanna know why. Is this the life? Is this the life we're meant to live? Is this the life? Every day in pain and the tears will dry away. Is this the life for our destiny? 'Cause it's hard to hold on.
Wow, I'm not gonna late, Ichi. I'm not gonna late.
Oga, we're here to collect our money.
Good afternoon, sir.
Every day and the tears will dry away. Is this the life for our
On the offer.
It's hard to hold
Yeah, I'm not on the site. Okay.
we're losing it.
Okay. Okay.
Good afternoon, Oga Henry.
Sir, we're here to collect our money.
What is it now? Can't you see I'm trying to make a call? What is it? What is it?
Sorry, sir. We just want to take our pay. Yes, sir. Please, we want to take our
We're
money.
here to collect our money.
Kenechukwu. You beat me the other day now. You want to beat me again, eh?
Sorry, sir. Please, it was...
Shut up, you. Shut up.
Sorry, sir.
Cho.
Oga Henry, this is only 1,500. Our money is not complete.
So how much is it supposed to be?
It's not supposed to be 1,500 naira. It's supposed to be like...
Oga, you are living in my house. I have deducted my house rent.
Please, I don't do this to
Sir,
us.
please, our money is not complete.
Okay. So you want to beat me again now? No, you want to beat me again? No, beat me now.
Please, sir, please. It's nothing like that.
No.
We just need our pay. We need this money.
What
Please,
is
sir,
wrong with these
please.
people? You are living in somebody's house. Pay rent, you are not paying rent. And your family calls or you don't want to give me. What is wrong with you people?
Sir, I'm very sorry, but please just complete this.
They are where? They are Ago. Name space. Name Efe.
Please, we
Sir,
need
where are you
money.
going to?
Why hit my sister, please? Mr. Henry!
What to give us? Honestly, I am so tired because what is all this? What is all this? Why are we being treated this way? When will everything even get better? Me, I'm tired though. I'm very tired. Tired of this suffering.
I don't even know what to say. I just don't know when all this will end. And the worst part of it all is that Mr. Henry will so punish us for what happened. He will not let us go until he gets what he wants.
Hi. Mommy and Daddy, I hope you people are seeing it. I hope you people are seeing how strangers and relatives are maltreating us. Okay, I said it. We shouldn't have left Uncle Kelvin's house. At least we would have had a roof over our head. Running away was never a good idea.
Mona, are you the one saying this? After all we went through in the hands of him and his wife, he even tried to molest you.
The same molesting is not what they also tried to do here to you. It's not safe out here. Moving from one uncompleted building to the other, he's not safe. Tell me that he's not safe. It's not safe. Every time we're here, after today we'll go another place now. Me, I'm tired though. I keep saying this thing. Running away was never a good idea.
Mona, is everything okay?
That's our contractor. He did not pay us our complete money. Because he found us yesterday. He caught us yesterday at the site. Now he's now deducting money for the rent from our small pay.
Lady, that man is very wicked. He's a devil.
I think you girls need to add something else to what you people do. Yes. Let's say maybe Zobo or soy milk. And you have to drop it here in my shop. I'll be helping you girls to sell it. Then after work, you girls can come here and sell it too. This is a good idea.
Didi, it's a great idea if you ask me, but the problem is that we don't have anything. We don't have such money now. We cannot afford that business. We can't.
Oh, understand. Well, just give me time, okay? Give me time, please. I'll help you girls out. Yes.
Hey. Oh? Hey, thank you.
I'm coming. Please let me attend to my customer.
Okay.
I'm coming. Hey, so what do you want?
Temperature is so high. Hey, no. Listen to me. You cannot walk like this. Alright? I need you to rest. Please, but I'm going to do the job because we need this money. I'll do your job and mine. Oh?
Don't worry. I just want to rest. After resting, I don't allow you to be walking.
Please, just rest. I'll do your work and do mine. Have you heard me? Okay? I just did.
What in the family meeting is going on here? What are the two of you doing here?
Good afternoon, Mr. Henry. Please, my sister is not well, but it's not a problem. Alright, I can do her labor and mine.
I'm
not
fine.
Well, how?
I'm fine. I just want to rest a bit. I'm fine.
How can you machine gun, kill you in Kenechukwu, not well? It's not possible now. Engine house. Biago, walk. Better work now. If you don't work, there will be no pay. It's not after now you come and be beating me because of money. Work now.
I'll do her own labor and mine together. She's not well.
Hey, query. Better go and work. There you go. Get the other guy.
How are you feeling? Temperature is so low. I got you some malaria drugs. Make sure you take everything so that you feel okay. Okay? I'll be going back to my shop right now. Huh?
Thank you.
Finish it though.
I've not had anything to eat.
But your sister didn't tell me anything. You know what? Just give me a few minutes. I'm going back to the shop right now. I'll send someone to bring food for you. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's fine. Make sure you finish everything. Oh? Sorry. Oh, I'm coming.
Thank you.
No, don't worry. Don't worry, that one has more challenge.
Oga Henry. Sir. Mr. Henry, please, you forgot to pay us.
Who is us? You and Kenechukwu that did not work.
No, I did the labor for both my sister and I.
Please, I don't have any money to pay anybody.
Sabo, please, you paid others now.
Did I say I will not pay you? Well, unless you want to follow me home so that I will pay you in the house. Sir, I will add extra.
Sir, please just pay me my money. Pay us our money, please. We really need this money to buy food and drugs.
Okay, so now how is that my business? No, how is that my business now? Do I look like your father?
Sir, please just pay us the money, please.
What is this? Did I say I will not pay you? When I get money, I will pay you.
I deserve to get paid, sir. Please just pay me the money, please. Pay us our money, please. Sir, please just don't go, please, sir.
I'm losing my breath and I'm drowning. I wanna know why. Is this the life? Is this the life we're meant to live? Every day.
Mona, good afternoon. Welcome. Hey, how are you doing?
Hey. What's that smell?
Smell?
Yes.
What smell?
You mean you didn't perceive the smell of these two girls when they walked into this shop?
Madam, please don't insult us, so we're not smelling.
How can you two be walking around smelling like pigs? How much is deodorant in the market?
Madam, please. I do not know what you are perceiving, but just know that you are the only one that is perceiving what you are perceiving. Please stop overreacting. In my shop.
Overreacting?
Ha!
This will be the last time I will be in this shop.
Chekube, Mona. See, madam, if this is the way you behave, then please do not come to my shop again. Big Kokwa, you're just insensitive and mean. Just look at now.
Don't insult me, please. How can the two girls be oozing like that?
I do not know the smell you are talking about, but Chekube,
how can two girls be oozing like pigs?
Mona!
Honestly, I could have beaten that idiot, blue black, even though that she wasn't in this shop. Hi. She's right. We're actually smelling. I mean, take a look at us. We don't even have any deodorant to ward off the smell. We've been working since morning, sweating badly. And each time that we want to take our bath, we have to just bathe with water. All because our soap has finished. We're smelling.
See, sister, I think we should try something else. Because it's obvious this hard work it's not paying off.
What do you mean?
Look, sister, why we're actually beautiful girls, so yes, we are beautiful girls, and we can start using our beauty for our own advantage.
Mona, wait, are you by any means suggesting that we sell our body for money?
I don't know, however you choose to put it. But me, I'm tired. I am tired. I'm tired of all this suffering. I'm tired of being tagged a beggar. I'm tired of being ridiculed. Look, I can't even walk on the road and greet people because they want you, I want to beg them for money. Sister, I'm tired though.
Don't you ever say that. Why would you say such a thing? Listen, we are never going to sell our body to make money. No way! We will not do that. We're not going to go against our values and morals all because of money. No!
Which morals? Every time morals. Which morals? Where has this good character even gotten us to? Which morals? Look at where we stay. Sister, me, I'm tired though. I am tired.
You just have to wait. Be patient. We are not doing such. What has gotten into you?
I've said my own. I'm tired. It's not about morals.
You know, I like you. Yeah, I like your boldness. I like how fearless and strong you are. But I must tell you, in life, if you don't compromise, you will never get anything out of it.
Can we just cut the small talk and get down to business?
Straight to business then. I like it.
Honestly, sir, I don't like you.
I assure you, that feeling is mutual. Yeah, I don't like you either. I mean, who is even preaching likeness here? You don't have to like me. I don't have to like you. I just want that sweet thing down there. That's it.
Trust me, sir. You will never have it. Never.
Are you joking? Wait, are you serious? You called me down here to... I thought you were going to open it for me, guy.
Sir, you owe us. And if you don't pay us the money you're owing us, we are going to report you to your boss.
You know, I actually overrated you, you know. I should have known you are always going to be that smelling, pathetic, low-life rat.
Sir, you can call me whatever you want to call me. But if you don't pay us the last time you owe us, we are going to report you to your boss. And I know you wouldn't want that.
Good luck with that.
Mr. Henry.
Mona, please, get me some seasoning cubes and onions.
We have run out of onions and seasoning cubes.
I thought we still had some.
We don't,
Hey!
We don't.
In that case, just please help me go to this place and see if she can spare us some.
Hey! Who did he again? Sister, I can't. I'm tired of begging. For how long will we keep begging in Didi? Every small thing in Didi. I'm beginning to be embarrassed too. I'm tired.
Please, Ethan, you're tired of begging. You're tired of begging. And how? Is she complaining?
Even if she's not complaining, I don't want to beg again. I don't want to beg. It's embarrassing.
Whether she's complaining or not, do you expect us to cook this thing this way?
Sister, we are going to eat it that way. I'm not going to beg in Didi. I am tired.
Listen, you have to. Hi. Listen, that onions is meant to be our meat, so then it's seasoning cubes for taste.
Sister, please. Please, let's just eat it like that. I am tired of begging. This is now embarrassing. I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm just trying my best, though. I'm just trying my best. Mona. Just need this thing now. Just come over there. About that thing you told me that you were looking for somebody that will help you wash plates. Please, let me be that someone. Lady, wait, please. Let me come and help you wash plates so that you can give us, even if it's food, once a day. Until you're able to find the person that will be helping you do that job. I'm not asking for pay, just food. Do you mean that contractor did not pay you, Becca? No. He did not pay you, and the worst part of it all is that he's threatening that he's going to send us out of his sight.
Hey, people are wicked. Why would he do such a thing?
The thing is, I don't blame him at all. No, my parents are supposed to be the ones doing all this for us, but they died a very long time ago. So right now, I do not blame anybody, and I don't expect much from anybody. So I don't blame him.
Please, stop talking about your parents, What has happened has happened, What about the Zoba and soya milk? I think it's actually a good idea. Don't you think?
It's money. There's no money. That's what I'm talking about. There's no money.
Don't worry, Mommy will come. Please, don't start crying, no, Let me get you something to eat, please, oh? Clean your eyes, don't start crying. I don't want that.
It's good to meet you here. Keep your greetings to yourself. Listen to me. That devil of a sister of yours threatened me. She threatened me, Henry Wamba. Listen to me. Let me talk to you calmly now. You move your things away from that house. And you no longer work for me. It's over.
Sir, please, I'm sorry. Please, I believe that she must have made a mistake. But I'm going to talk to her now. Please, I beg you, please. I'm very sorry. She will never do it again. Once I go, I'll talk to her. Please, now, sir.
You are begging me?
Yes, sir.
That is the same way I have been begging you. This girl, what is wrong with you? Let me have a taste of this thing. Because by me looking at you, I know you will be sweet. Let me just have a taste. Come.
No, sir, please. It's against my faith. I cannot. Please.
See, the two of you living in that house is against my principle. Pack your things and get out of there.
Sir, please, Mr. Henry.
Yandidi.
Okay, Henry. Sir, please.
I wanna know why. Is this the life? Is this the life we're meant to live? Every day in pain, and the tears won't dry away. Is this the life for our destiny?
Are you telling me that the contractor has not been paying people in full and you did nothing about it?
Oh, Obina, what do you want us to do? What do you want us to do? You want us to kill him? At least I'm even happy and grateful that he's paying us out of it.
Hey! You have said my own, oh. I have said my own. Somebody is going to die here today if that man does not pay us. And it's not going to be my sister or myself. I have said my own.
Shima, you should try and calm down.
Wait. Go ahead.
Are you sure?
Yeah, share with us.
Hey,
that man, they wicked. No one paid them. Who is that man? It's not me.
They are my sister.
I know pay them money. That's no make sense.
I'm going back to you.
Who they go like this?
How you?
When I was there. You there for that time?
Yes, this. It's an abandoned place for a very long time. I'm going to need more hands. Just few people. Yes, okay. No,
Good afternoon, sir. We're here to collect our money for today, and the ones that you've been owing us.
Is that why you are squeezing your face like that? Even top government officials, federal governments, they used to owe people. You're not the first person that are owing in this world. What is it?
you're right, sir. Okay, what about today's own? At least pay us while we wait for the other one you're owing us.
I'm also the one that he has been owing us. The one that you've been owing us, Nko.
I just said I don't have money now. Auntie, when I have money, I will pay you. Why are you shouting? Okay. No, why are you raising your voice now?
Please, we're not shouting. We just want our pay. That's all, please.
Come, find a rope and tie this your sister.
I'm sorry, sir. Please.
Can you shift?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, okay, but you said you don't have money. How come you're paying them?
You're paying others, sir.
Yes, my shovel.
Okay, how come you're paying them?
Thank you, sir.
Sir, please now pay us our money.
You don't have me for now.
Okay, if someone give me money and please pay us our money now.
Ago, name space. I don't
have money. Pay us our money.
Money I will pay.
Okay, please. We work. At least we work. We deserve to be paid. You pay them now. Give us our own money.
I said I don't have money. What is wrong with you?
Okay, you pay us our money. Stay back. Give us our money, please. What is wrong with you? Okay, please now, Mr. Henry, pay us our money. You pay us our money now. Okay.
Wait, I mean you carry shovel for?
Calm down now. Calm down. Okay, you pay us our money. We need this money. You still have money in your bag, please. Okay, Henry. Please, come down, please. Okay, Henry, pay us our money. Just give us our money. Okay, Henry.
Okay, Henry. If I should want this man, I'll deal with him. I will deal with him.
Calm down.
What's the problem? Why is your face like this?
Didi, I'm not happy. Hi. I am not happy. Anytime I remember that devil, Henry, my body is just like,
What do you want
I just get so angry.
What do you want to do? Do you want to kill him and go to jail?
Yes, I want to kill him. Yes.
Hey, see, you people should just forget about it. At least you have something you're doing. This will be able to sustain you, Thank you. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. It's fine. No problem. I've told you to calm down.
Look, I won't be violent. The only way to treat him is to be violent because he's a very bad man.
Muna, calm down. Calm down. You want this money, yes, but we're going to get it, but not like this.
Kill.
No, not here. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, my dear. Please bring me my usual.
Okay, sir.
I'll see, sir. Biandidi, it is vegetable. What is all this? Customer white vegetable now.
This is the right time to collect our money. It is not. It is the right time to collect our money.
It is not the right time. Have you forgotten that this is in this shop? I should just allow us to stay here to sell these things. If you start fighting here, what do you want our customers to do? You want to chase our customers away from her? Listen, let her good deed to us not turn out to something bad. Please, calm down. Not here, not here.
Enemies of Henry Wamba. Thank you. What's this, sir?
Bonds is available. Buy your bonds. Buy your Zobo soya milk. Hey. Buy your bonds. You want anything
What is this dirtiness happening in front of your shop? Why would you allow it?
What are you talking about? Is there dirt in front of my shop?
Ndidi, these two mad women sitting outside there, don't you know they are capable of chasing away your customers?
Okay, Henry, but there's nothing wrong with them selling Zoba and soya milk, and my customers even enjoy it. There's nothing wrong.
Ndidi, you know that I like you.
Yes, sir.
You know.
Yes,
and you will attest to the fact that 60% of the people who come here are because of me. My laborers, my friends, my neighbors, all of them, they come here because of me. Listen, if you don't chase those dirty smelling mad women out of that place, I will stop coming here. And I will stop all my friends from coming here.
Henry, please.
I'm not joking with you.
Don't do this.
I'm not playing with you.
Hey.
Chikubi, Oga Henry is threatening to stop coming to my shop. And you know he's one of my biggest customers. This man comes here with his friends. Even his laborers patronize me just because of him. What do I do, Biko? I don't want to lose him.
I told you that man is out to ruin us. He's a very wicked man. This man is a devil. And so he let us fight him and get our own pound of flesh. I cannot fight one who is bigger than me to avoid being swallowed. Una, calm down.
Mona, I think you should just apologize to me. Yes.
God forbid.
Please, at least you stop hunting.
I'd rather go out there and hug these things than apologize to that devil. Sister, let's leave.
Are you going?
Sister, let us go.
Mona, calm down. You're leaving already. I'm so sorry. It's not your fault. You really helped us. I'm sorry. It's not even the apology that Oga Henry wants. He wants something else that we cannot give. What does he want? Something I can never give to him. What would that be? Chikube.
Nonsense. One hair and one back.
Oga Henry, this is not fair.
You have done well.
This is not fair.
You have sanitized your shop, eh? Calm down, no. You want to pollute this place with those mad people. Come, you should know the kind of people you are mingling with, so you should know.
It is not in this one.
Go and walk. If I bring me another beer. Bring me another beer, no now. Put me in them. Namaka.
Fire in my heart, troubles in my mind, pains that wouldn't go away. Tears drop from my eyes, uncertainties in my life. I feel like I am fading away. Yeah. Kindness and love don't seem to find me. All I see is pain and misery around me. I'm losing my breath and I'm drowning.
Thank you, sir.
I don't know why. Is this the life?
Okay, auntie. Which one do you want?
Buns and dough.
One table?
Yes.
How many buns?
What is it called?
Ma, you know, everywhere this period we don't have light,
no light,
but it tries.
It's manageable, or do you want this one?
No lights. They cut our lights and.
How is that my business? Take, madam, take. How am I supposed to buy something like no food? How can't you don't know walking around without selling something like food? It's not patronize it.
Auntie, wait, it's okay, it's okay.
Patronize
It is okay. If you don't have money, just say that you don't have money.
No,
You don't have money, say you don't have money.
I don't understand.
Please,
patronize
don't, Auntie, sorry. If I don't dash you, I'm going to drink it. If I dash you, I'm going to drink it.
Why would I drink it? You don't have money. I want your way. Look at you. Look at them. Shameless idiots. Look at how bad they are looking.
Kindness and love don't seem to find me. All I see is pain and misery around me. I'm losing my breath and I'm drowning. I wanna know why. Is this the life?
Hey. Sister, we sold everything. So put the balls, the soya milk. Hey! Walking around this area is way better than just sitting in one place every time.
Yes, now. People are looking for refreshments like this.
Hey, we finished selling the soup, the soya milk, buns, everything.
Yeah.
See, I told you that.
Especially this very foolish one. Listen, I've had enough of the two of you. You cannot turn my house to a refuse dump and you steal from me. See,
Steal what? Henry! What is it? Please leave my sister alone! Oga Henry, what did we steal? Please take it easy, you're my sister, please! Oga Henry, what is it?
All of you, I will deal with you.
What did we do wrong?
Listen to me. 3 bags of cement are missing and they said it is you. Plus some rods. You cannot be here, you are stealing from me, you are not paying rent, and you are still disrespecting me.
We are not thieves, sir! We are not stealing from you! Let him leave my sister alone! You're such a coward.
Okafor.
You could have come here on your own now.
Okay, so you will beat me again now. Killing me, Kenechukwu. You want to beat me? See, you are going to sleep in this cell if you don't provide those rods and cement.
We did not steal from you, sir. We did not steal from you, sir.
You are going to the police. You want to take over from her.
Leave my sister alone.
You that want to beat me now.
Leave my sister alone. Leave my sister. Okay, Henry. No, come back. We don't
steal. You will hear from me.
Leave my sister alone. Leave my sister alone. Leave my sister alone. Hey! Somebody help her! Somebody help her! Come on, leave my sister alone! Leave my sister alone! What is wrong with you people? What is all this now? What is all this? Stop. Chekube, this is a serious matter. I'm crying won't solve it. But we don't have anyone in this world. We are just alone. You need to try and meet the owner of the property. That's the point. I don't even know him. I'll try my best and find a means to reach to him. You know these materials are expensive, and you and your sister might go to prison for it. What did we do wrong? We didn't steal it. Why would we steal their materials? We didn't steal anything. We had to believe you people. But please stop crying. This won't solve this matter now. Please, just stop crying, okay? Be cool. I need to get to my shop now. My customers are waiting for me, okay? Alright, Ndidi, you've tried. Stop crying. Let me just see you. Thank you. What is it? Where are you going? Look, we have to run away. We have to run away. Do you want to go to jail? Is that what you want? Do you understand? We jail. Listen, running away will only make us look like we're the guilty people. As if we're thieves. We have to stay and defend ourselves. Defend ourselves? How? How do you want us to defend ourselves? Look, that man will not stop until he sees us suffer. Listen, Ndidi has already said that we can meet the main owner of this place, explain ourselves, and he'll see reasons with us. Sister, look at what you're saying. See reasons with us. How? Who will believe us? It's their word against ours. Nobody will believe us. Please, I don't want to go to jail. Let's go. Let us go. Running away will only make us look guilty. We are not going anywhere. We are staying. Look, I don't care if we have to keep running. I don't care. I just don't want to go to prison. Let us go. I'm not running again. I'm going to stay here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going. Sister, did you steal it?
It's here. Here. See there. See there. Sit down.
Henry.
Sir.
Why did you allow these peasants into my property?
Sir, I did not allow them. I did not allow them, I swear.
Does this look like a charity home to you?
I just came to work one day and I discovered that people are living inside here. Eating and cooking and sleeping and waking. And now they have started stealing cement and rods and gravels, everything in my site. Especially this very one. This thief.
No, sir, please. We've never stolen our entire life. We have not stolen anything. We are only staying here because we have nowhere to stay.
Now listen to me. Listen to me! I want you two to go in there and get rid of, just clear out all the trash bags in there. Every single thing they own.
Say no more.
Say
no more.
What is wrong with you two? Is this how you just go about hijacking people's properties? You should be ashamed of yourselves. My friend, pack all of these things.
I think that we've not stolen anything in our life. We're only staying anything. We didn't steal anything. Please, don't have a place to stay. We're sorry. We can help out with. Hey, please. Okay.
Pack everything out of this place, my friend.
Sir, please. Sir, please. Please,
See, if I run into you, if I enter you, anything I'll kill you in Kenechukwu. Your muscle don't deflate. You don't want to fight today, Abi? Get out, brother!
Sir, please, we're sorry, please. We're not stealing. We can never steal anything, please. Sir, please.
Is that all of it? Go and get everything.
Sir, can you listen to all the questions from this place? We can never steal. We've never stolen our whole lives, please.
It's hard to hold on.
Okay, Henry, please, you know that we close now. You know that we're not in.
Get something and bundle these two things out of this place.
Cause it's hard to hold on. We're losing it. We're losing it. Troubles in my mind, pains that wouldn't go away. Tears drop from my eyes, uncertainties in my life. I feel like I am fading away. Yeah. Kindness and love don't seem to find me.
This is not the time to cry. Just eat so that you can have the energy to plan ahead.
We should be grateful that you people are not in prison.
No matter the hard work, we never make it.
Please don't sound that way. Just be grateful. Be grateful to be alive and healthy.
I am better off there. I'm better off there.
No, please. God forbid. Everything will be alright.
Nice. Nothing. Absolutely nothing will be alright. I just don't understand this type of life. It's as if everything is against us. The universe, everything is against our existence. Because tell me, what kind of life is this? Nobody, just you, only suffering. Now we're homeless.
Please.
And you tell me everything will be alright?
Yes. Trust me. You know what? You people can come live with me. My house might be little, but it will just be fine for 3 of us. Oh, yes. At least for now. Until you sort yourselves out. No. You don't even understand. Are you sure about this?
Yes.
Your house.
Yes.
Right.
Please. Now, just wipe your faces, please, and eat. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Bless you.
It's okay. Bless you.
It's okay. Amen. Amen.
For you, whatever you want in this world, God will give it.
Amen. Please eat your food, okay?
It's fine. So much.
Eat your food, please. Dry your tears, okay? Eat your food.
Thank you so much. Hey.
People are just wicked.
Thank you. God bless you.
Luna, eat your food, okay? Eh? Ebezina.
Kindness and love don't seem to find me. All I see is pain and misery around me. I'm losing my breath and I'm drowning. I wanna know why. Is this the life? Is this the life we're meant to live? Every day in vain, and the tears will dry away. Is this the life or our destiny? 'Cause it's hard to hold on. We're losing it, we're losing it. Is this the life we're meant to live? Every day in vain, and the tears will dry away. Is this the life or our destiny? 'Cause it's hard to hold on. We're losing it, we're losing it. Fire in my heart, troubles in my mind, pains that wouldn't go away. Tears drop from my eyes, uncertainties in my life. I feel
How are you doing?
Fine.
Guess what? We sold everything. Like everything.
Are you serious?
See now?
Well, you guys should guess what? I sold up everything you people dropped at my shop.
Huh?
I'm telling you. Everything.
Are you serious?
People are going crazy about your Zoba and soya milk. Especially the buns. And I actually think you girls should make more of the Zobo and the soya milk. Even the buns, because the demand for it is high. Everybody wants it.
I told you. Thank you so much.
No problem. I'll come to the house later, okay? I just want to get something down the road.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Sister, why do you see me open the shop? What am I saying in that place? That's okay, please. I think it was a good job. I've told you. Watch your mouth, this girl. Watch your mouth. I will not go outside for you. I will not help you. I don't want to help you.
Please help
Oh my God, you want to
help me. Take this back. Take this back.
What's inside?
Take it to number 2 Great Street, GRA. Ask for Mr. Tiger. Tell him not to send you. Tell him not to send you. Take the bag.
What does he have? Come on. What is this? Una, lie down. Easy. What is in that bag? How will I know, Kwan? I guess you should open it. We need to know what's in that bag. I don't want anything that will put us into trouble because we already have enough problems to deal with. Please. Now? And I'll bring it now. Oh yeah, wait, let me open it. Hold on, guys, if I can even open it.
What is... Jimmy! Hey! Everywhere is clear now. Come, let's go. Are you sure? I'm sure now. We didn't want to sleep here. We have to return this to that address that we were given because I can't even close my eyes and sleep this night knowing that I have such amount with me. No, I cannot. I cannot. Did I hear you correctly? You said what? Return what? Look, we are not returning this money at all. What are you saying? This is the money that God sent to us to drag us out of poverty. Munachi, and you want to return it? Munachi, this is not God's gift. I am returning this money because I can never spend this money. God forbid. I reject it in Jesus' name. God forbid. You will never return this money. This is the money that God sent to us to better our lives and not to return it. I'm not a thief. We are returning this money. No problem. I'm the thief. In short, you see that bag? It was given to me. Come on, give it back. Give it to me. It was given to you. That bag was given to me. Give it to me. Hey, remember I'm your elder sister. Give me the bag. Hey! What is it? I told you. What's wrong with you? Go. Nothing to say. Just hear me out first. Wait. What? Wait, listen to me. Sister, why are you trying to ruin our only chance of having a good life? Having a breath of fresh air. This is the problem. My dear, there is nothing you say or do that convince me. I will never spend this money. It is not mine. It's not yours. Look, please, just listen. It is obvious that this money is not legal. This money is not legit. So if we take this money and leave town, nobody will find out. What's your problem? Dear Satan, get thee behind me. Me? So I'm not a Satan, sister, I'm a Satan for being the truth.
All I see is made of misery around me. I'm losing my breath and I'm drowning. I wanna know why. Is this the life? Is this the life?
Number 2. Is this place? Anybody here?
Who is that?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Please, we are here to see someone.
Please leave. My guy does not allow beggars in this compound.
Are you mad? Who are you calling beggars?
Madam, I said leave here before my guy will see the both of you.
Okay, we are not beggars. We are here to see somebody. We want to see Mr. Tiger. Somebody sent us.
How do you know that name?
Somebody sent us to him. We need to see him.
Please leave. No harm, my guy will know someone that knows beggars like you.
Are you deaf? We said we are not beggars and she said that somebody sent us. What is your problem?
And I said, no, my guy cannot know someone that knows beggars like you.
Hey!
Please leave.
Hey! Sister, please, let's leave. Can you imagine? We want to see Tiger. Let us leave. This was a bad idea. I warned you.
Exactly, it's a bad idea. Because no harm, my guy will know someone that knows beggars like you.
Okay.
Leave, Joe.
We want to see.
So these beggars are insisting to see you. I asked them to leave, but they refused.
Make sure they don't come into this room.
Yes, sir. Come back. Please, compound. When they put him in trouble.
You said you want to see your guy. I want to see your guy. Don't listen to us. Leave us alone, Joe.
Oga cannot see beggars like you. Leave.
We are not beggars. We are not beggars.
Leave. So you want me to lose my job?
Matthew.
Sir.
What did I tell you?
So I was closing the gate when they ran in.
Sir, good day. We want to see somebody sent us to
Matthew.
so we
Bundle these grants out of this premises, and I do not ever want to see them anywhere around this premises. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you just give us a listen here. We want to tell you something. Sir, please. Sir, hear us out now. Please, sir. Sister, please, let's go. Let's go. You don't even know. If I could have known that it was that stupid man that even owned that money, I couldn't have allowed us to even come here. You know, I was so shocked when I saw him. I couldn't even talk. But wait, do you think he recognized us? Does that one even matter? It does not matter. What matters now is that we are going to use this money to better our lives. We are going to spend every dime of this money. My dear, for your information, we are not spending a penny from this money. Yes, I'm going to look for a way to contact Mr. Henry and so that he can help us return this money. No! Wait, what are you saying? Jesus Christ. Sister, are you serious? Are you not tired of suffering? Are you not tired of being tagged a beggar? Are you not tired of the humiliation? Are you not even tired of being walked on? What is your problem? This is our answered prayer, sister. Open your eyes. That is not why we take what doesn't belong to us. Wait. Calm down, wait. Wait, hear me out first. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten how we've been suffering? How I almost died because there was no money to take me to the hospital? Please now, just listen to me. This is the manna that God sent to us to spend. This is God's gift. We have to use it. Look at us now. Look at our clothes. Look at our hair. The money doesn't belong to us. Sister, you have to think about it. What are you talking about? Look at... Should I hold it for you? Hold up. What?
Listen to me! Listen, I don't know how you are going to do it, and I do not care. I don't care how you are going to get it done, but I need you to get my money as soon as possible before these people start requesting for their product. Come on! Get my money! Jesus!
What's wrong with you? Give me that. You want to attract people's attention. Keep
pushing away now that we can. Before someone come and snatch this bag. Before someone will snatch this bag, I'm telling you now.
Leave it. Does anybody know what is inside the bag? Leave it.
Sister.
Hey, Didi, what is going on here? And why are the both of you not selling today?
My sister, we just decided to rest today, you know.
Wow. Rest. Hey. Poor people and their poor mentality. I do not blame you. Because you two have a roof over your heads and food to eat. That is why you are relaxed.
No.
Leaving all your suffering for someone else to suffer. Hi.
No. It's not like that. Now we were.
No. Please go. Please. It's not like that. It's not. Okay. I'm coming, sir. Before I get back here, I don't want to see both of you in the shop. I don't even want to meet you both here.
Come now, they wait you come.
I'm coming, my friend.
Oh God, I beg. Ha! God, when will it end? For how long are we going to keep bearing this tag name? Poor, wretched, needy, dirty, beggar. Oh God, when will it end? Chukuna, when will it end?
Not anymore.
It ends now. Let's go.
Oh my goodness. The interior decor actually did a really great job here.
I know. Right? Look at my picture.
Yeah. Wow.
Well, next step is to get a car. We are getting a car, right?
A car? Wait. What do you mean we're getting a car? Do you know how to drive or do I know how to drive? We should be talking about opening a boutique or something to keep the money running in and out. Huh? I'm not a car.
That's why there are driving schools everywhere. I mean, we need a car to even be going to the boutique. All we have to do is just learn how to drive and we can get a car.
Don't be learning how to drive. It's so easy for you to say. You know, we have to keep a low profile. I don't want anyone. Plus this money that we're carrying around, I am so scared. What if these people trace us one day? What do we do?
Nobody is tracing anybody. Why? It's just all up in your head. I mean, no one even knows we have this money.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Fine. So please, we need to get. What brand are we getting?
You need a brand name for the boutique?
No, the car.
No.
I'm not going down on this. No. I'll first take you. In fact, all of you down. I'm going to take down all of you if you do not provide my money.
Boss, we are trying. We have done everything we can to see if we can locate the money, and I even tried to find some of his relatives to know if he maybe left the money with any of them before he was shot, but I have not been able to find anyone.
Boss, I went to the place where he was shot. And then I asked some questions. And one guy said he saw him before he was shot. That he gave the bag to some ladies.
Did you hear that? Did you hear what he said? He gave my money to some ladies. That bastard gave my money to some women! Money he was supposed to protect with his life! He's damn lucky. He's lucky he's dead. What I would have done to him, he wouldn't have believed it.
That means we need to find the ladies then.
Then get to work! Henry, I am tired of listening to you talk too much. You talk too much, that's your major problem. I am tired of listening to your talks. Get to work. Get me my money. Or get me those ladies. Do you hear me? You know the kind of people we are working with. I do not need to explain them to you. You in particular. You know them. And you know they will not spare anyone. That includes your mom, your father, your entire family, your cousins. You're gonna wipe out everybody. You are aware. Get to work, all of you.
So have you gotten the name yet?
The name will be for later. What about now? How many shelves do you think we'll have for this boutique?
I want something massive. Like, how about a
15? Because there's this picture I'm seeing here.
15 is too.
Take a look at this picture. At least we can contact the interior decorator to get something like that.
This is small.
It's small?
No, it doesn't speak luxury. We need to do something quite luxurious.
Okay, fine. And as we're getting these luxurious things in your words, we need to sketch out how to promote this. Like, it should be on everyone's lips, because we need to sell out.
That's why we have social media.
Social media, then we have to get a social media manager, right?
Exactly, for content creation and running ads and all that.
Okay.
But apart from that, what brand do you think we should? Because I really want something loud.
We should get all brands, Nigerian brands, international brands, so everyone can buy.
Perfect.
Okay. All right. Should we create out another branch in this boutique? Or other branch? Sell perfumes? What do you think?
How about jewelries?
Jewelries, yes, of course, jewelries will go.
Yes, jewelries, perfumes,
accessories.
And yes, oh my goodness, you're forgetting something. Why don't we also maybe invest in hairs?
Hair business is not easy, because we need to shop from really good people that we can get really nice qualities. You know, you can never be too sure.
That's true.
No. We need something that we can just make money immediately.
Henry, I am getting threats from all corners. Henry, I remember warning you about this boy you brought here. I warned you. But you keep making careless mistakes. And now, your silly mistake is about to cost me everything.
Boss, see, I'm sorry. I will do everything I can. I will find that money. I will bring the money back to you. See, I found somebody volunteered to take me to 2 fair ladies. He said he saw the man give the money to 2 fair ladies. He saw them from the balcony of his house when he handed the money over.
Henry, I am tired of hearing the same thing all the time. Stop giving me flimsy excuses. This is a serious deal. I don't care what you are going to do. I don't care if you want to travel to the village to see some babalawo. I don't give two freak. Get me my money or get me the girls. Do you hear me?
Yes, boss.
You did hear me. Did you hear me?
Yes, boss.
Get out.
Sister, what are we going to do now? This car might soon catch fire. I really don't know. I didn't even know that it was time to put water in the radiator. How? I don't understand. Like, we both went to driving school. You're supposed to know. You're the driver. What do you mean? Why you are portioning blames on me? We both went to the driving school, so you are supposed to also know. But you're always driving. Yes, and so didn't you go? How am I supposed to know? You attended the same school as I did. What's all this? No, just imagine. You're supposed to know. Why didn't you tell me? Okay, let's just say I forgot. Why couldn't you remember? How am I supposed to know? You're the driver, you drive every time. But you attended the same school as I did, right? Please, just... It's going to blow up like you said. Better leave it to let it calm down.
Hi, ladies. What's going on?
It's nothing actually. I just forgot to put water in the radiator, so it's overheating, but it's fine, sir. Thank you.
Yes, it's fine. We're just about to like set complete the...
Oh, come on, that's pretty bad. Do you ladies live in our estate?
Yes, we stay at house 9. Yeah, house 9.
Oh, that's interesting. It's actually close to my house. Why don't I just go and drop you ladies? And then my driver will come and take care of your car and then bring it back to you later. What do you say?
No, you don't need to worry. We have this sorted out. We've already called someone and we can take care of ourselves. But thank you very much for your help.
Come on. Oh, stop that. There's nothing you can do about that. I insist. Okay? Listen, I can't watch you two beautiful, tall, glass of wines stand here and stress for nothing. Come on. I insist.
All right, thank you very much. Okay,
that's my car.
All right, okay, let's just get the bag.
Okay, please.
Yeah, we're coming. Oh my goodness, I just... Muna, there's a foul play. I think he recognized us and he knows we stole his money. So now he wants to know where we live so he can come after us. That is what is going on here now. No, check away. Why me? No, sister.
I honestly don't think he recognized us. Yes, because the last time he saw us, he never even looked at us twice. He just saw us as some dirty rags he wanted to get rid of as soon as possible. So relax.
Mona, but you know this is all your fault. Yes. I never wanted us to move into this estate, but you insisted. I told you. Now see now. See.
Can you just calm down? Can you calm down? Calm down. Look, no one knows about this. And the only person that does is dead. So just stop being scared for nothing, please. Calm down.
I beg you.
Hey. Relax.
Have you? Tell everyone to lay low for now. On no account should anybody visit my house. I'm going to find a way to get through this. Listen to me. My name cannot be pinned to drug dealings. Listen, I'm a real estate developer. I have a legitimate business. They cannot tie my name to some sort of drug dealings. Just find a way to get my money. Get me my money. I'll find a way to sort them out. Please, I need your help. Some people are after my life. I have nowhere else to go. Please, can I stay here for a while before I sort myself out?
But I don't understand. How can you just barge into my apartment and asking for something as difficult as this? It's not right. How?
Listen, I know. But if I had other options, I wouldn't be here. If I leave this premises now, I might just get killed. Do you want that for me? Please.
I mean, you don't even get it. It's too much to ask for someone I just met. I just met you. No, I can't. I'm sorry.
Listen, I will pay you anything you want me to pay you. You just name the price.
It's not about the money. I just can't. It's difficult. I don't even know you. You don't know me. It's dangerous for me. I'm a lady. I can't.
Please.
What are you doing? What are you doing? This is a trap. Do you want to bring him inside this house? How? But didn't you look at his face? Take a look at his face. I mean, these people want him dead. We need to help him. I don't want anybody's blood to be on my hand. No. Jesus Christ. What if he finds out this? What is your problem? He doesn't know. I mean, we took this money, so we should watch him die. How will God forgive us? I don't want to. Please, I don't want to carry anybody's blood on my head. We are the cause of his predicament. Do you want us to help? That's why we need to help him. I know he's part of this. He's not going to sleep in this house. He's never going to sleep under this roof. Listen, I warned you about all these things. Now we have to set things right. Please. He's leaving this house. He is staying. I've told you, and that's final.
To you. I said I am working on it. Just give me some more time. Yes, okay, I've heard you. I'm going to sort things out. Just give me some more time. That's what I said before. That's what I'm saying again.
Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is okay.
Okay, the food is almost ready, so I was just thinking if you would like to freshen up. Yeah?
Oh, yes, please.
Alright, the room is just the second toilet on the right here.
Should I come with you? Or
No, yeah, you can just this one here.
Thank you.
Just a second room.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. What?
Sister, what are you not telling me?
What sort of question is that? He came here for our help because some bad people are after his life, just like he said. So, what else is there to tell?
And you're really going to allow him to stay here? How? Why?
He needs our help. My hands are tied. I really do not have any choice.
Please, do not give me that excuse. Don't.
Okay, I overheard this guy on a call with the same bad people that we stole their money. They need the money back and they're after his life. So the least we could do is just to help him. Come on, have a heart.
Let me tell you something. Do you know it's actually people like you that never make it in life?
Says who?
You're too soft.
Oh, you want him dead, right? So you're the devil.
I don't mind.
You don't mind. Somebody's money. Well done. Please excuse me.
Hi. Jesus Christ.
Is everything okay?
Goodness, God, you're back.
Yep.
I've been really bored and I needed somebody to talk to.
Oh, I hope you're alright.
Yeah, it's just that I just can't seem to get off my mind what would have happened if they had met me at home.
Well, I got you a new set of clothes because you've been wearing the same one since yesterday.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Listen, I am going to pay you every single dime you spent on this. I'm going to pay you times 7.
I don't need your money. I mentioned.
Why are you so kind to me? I mean, first you took me in, you fed me. You did everything for me that I needed at this time, and now you're buying me clothes.
Because I can afford them and you need them. Moreover, I'm just being human.
Being human?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't understand. People don't. I mean, never mind. Thank you so much. God bless you.
You're welcome. Yeah, that reminds me. Why don't you report to the police?
So these people I'm working with, these people are powerful, very connected, and going to the police would be my end. It's best I just stay away.
I see. Just freshen up. Excuse me. Morning. You're up already.
Oh yes, I had a very good sleep last night. I've never slept like that before.
Oh, that's good to know.
Thank you.
I should prepare breakfast for you, right?
Oh, thank you. I mean, why do you do everything yourself? I mean, you wash, you clean, you cook, you do everything by yourself.
But who would I rather leave the chores for?
Come on now. Ladies nowadays, they don't do all of those things. They don't get their hands dirty. They just employ people to do the labor for them.
Sorry, but doing the chores doesn't make me feel less of a person. I mean, I love doing chores.
Wow. You are special.
Thank you. Thanks.
By the way, I'll be leaving today.
Oh, really? How come? Have you sorted your issue?
Oh yes, I found a way to, keep things cool. So I'm free to go for now.
Wow, that's good to know. Yes. Alright, I'll just hurry up with the breakfast now so you could eat before going.
Oh, okay. While you do that, let me handle the mop stick.
No, please don't. No, please, I beg you, no, you can't.
I insist.
No, I can call my sister to do it.
Oh, you don't want to call your sister now? Yeah. Why didn't you just hire somebody to do everything?
You're my guest.
Oh, come on, don't worry. I'm learning from you. Okay? It's a good trait. Come on, give me that. Thank you.
You sure?
I am sure. I'm positive. 100.
Alright, thank you. That's very funny,
Thank you so much for the hospitality. I really appreciate everything you're doing for me.
Can you just stop already? It's okay. Don't mention it. Okay?
This meal is delicious.
Oh, you like?
I love it.
Ah, thank you. I'm glad you like. So, hope to see more of you.
Hopefully. Do you know what I had to go through for this case to be like this? All my properties at Centenary Estate are all gone. 7 acres. 7 acres of land at Centenary Estate had to go down for this case to be the way it is now. And you are here talking rubbish.
Boss, yes, I know that I've told you a lot of things that are, like you said, rubbish. But this one, trust me, this last one, this very one, I have found somebody. This person has promised to take me to where the girls live. I will get to them and we'll get that money. Trust me.
Henry, can you listen to yourself? You have found a solution. You know somebody who can lead us to the money. And you are standing here doing what you know how to do best, talking rubbish. Why don't you just get to work?
Yes.
Get right onto it.
Right away. This your upgrade, you see they shock me. But I hope it's not when you finish all this now you start increasing prices. You will always remember your big or gas, your old customers.
Before Uncle, just look at this. This is money. Prices will change you.
Actually money. It still baffles me. From Abapa to New Heaven. How did it happen? How did you do it?
My dear, do you remember those 2 girls that were living in that your site and working for you?
Those 2 dirty witches.
They are not witches. In fact, they are angels that God sent from heaven to bless my life.
How? What are you talking about?
I don't know what happened though, but they are very rich right now. Do you know that they are the ones that helped me with the money to open this place?
How?
It shock you.
How is that possible?
My dear, God works in so many ways. What God cannot do does not exist. You see why it is not good to treat anybody anyhow? Because you don't know tomorrow. Hi, God is wonderful.
Don't if you near that door.
Henry, you're no longer taking me.
How are you doing?
I'm blessed. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I just came to know how you're doing.
Oh my goodness, that's so thoughtful of you.
Thank you.
So what can I offer you?
No, you don't need to bother. I'm fine.
Are you serious?
Yeah, sure.
No, don't say that. We'll go.
No.
Are you sure?
Yep, I'm fine, thank you.
Please sit down.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, I mean, you look absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you.
So please tell me, what are your plans for the day?
I'm just coming back from my boutique and decided to check up on you. And after here, I'll be headed back home. That's it.
Oh, that's amazing. But please, permit me to take you somewhere very beautiful, somewhere quiet, somewhere that I can hear your heartbeat and flow with you.
You have a way with words, you know. Because I don't understand.
Listen, that is because you make me feel the way that I've never felt before in my entire life. And you also make me say things that I never knew I could say.
I just came to check up on you, like I said earlier. And not to be swept off my feet by your words, Uche. Honestly,
Listen, honestly, I'm being honest now. You have literally changed me. You have made me see life from a different perspective. Your presence gives me this peace, this inner peace. I just don't have words. Like I don't, it's overwhelming.
Are you saying all this all because you want me to accept your date proposal?
Well, I'm not gonna lie, yes. I am saying that, but for real, jokes apart. Everything I just said now, I'm not a very expressive person, but I have to give it to you. You're a queen.
Okay, fine, that's okay. Thank you so very much. I accept.
Okay, I'm going to, you're all dressed, yeah. So I'm going to go upstairs and put on something good.
I'm waiting.
Just wait right here. Don't go anywhere.
Yeah, sure.
Make sure you don't go anywhere.
I'm not.
I'll be right back.
Trapped in the world of an empty space, stuck in a page, can't get out of my head. Confused in my thoughts and wrapped around my head. I'd give up my all, energy fast in the world of an empty space.
What's wrong with you? Are you dumb? Huh? Can't you look where you're going?
What is wrong?
Is it that you look where you're going, or you go where you're looking at?
I'm so sorry, alright? It was unintentional. I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry from my heart, okay? What is wrong with you, huh? What is wrong with you? Have you lost it?
You don't see what she did there?
What?
I almost
You almost ran into her. Why would you do that? And why are you shouting at her? This is exactly what you did to my sister and I. I'm sorry. Please, I'm so sorry. Please, just take me home. Take me home right now. I'm not going anywhere anymore. Just take me home. Just go. Leave. Leave my house already. I don't want you here, please. Just go. Go!
Please give me a chance to explain myself.
There's nothing you have to say. I need you out of my house now. Just go! Go already! Oh,
sir, please leave. She said you should go.
Please, can you give me a chance to explain myself?
I don't want you here in my house. I need you out of this house now. Please.
Please, sir, leave.
Oh.
I said it. This man can never change. I told you. Now look at the way he treats people. He can never change. That man is a devil.
Mona, please. Not now. Please. I'm not in the mood. Not now.
Whenever you're in the mood, you still talk about it. Hi.
Peasants! Useless mistake of a two-night stand. How dare you? How dare the both of you? You think you can steal from me and go scot-free? Listen to me. In your next lives, in your next miserable lives, you will never go anywhere near anything that does not belong to you. said I'm sorry. Please. I just want to see you. Listen, I cannot stand it when you are mad at me.
Listen, Uche, I am no longer upset, alright? I just want you to stay away for some time.
Please. Okay, what do I have to do for you to know that I am truly sorry and I want to see you?
Absolutely nothing. I don't want anything. And if you're truly sorry, that's fine. It's good for you, actually. It's good.
Can you come to the house then so we can talk things through?
Alright, see you soon.
See who? No, see who? Wait, sister, you really want to go out after everything I told you? After my dream?
Mona, please hold on with this dream because that dream of yours is just a product of your imagination. Come on, he can never hurt me. I don't think this guy is that bad. He just needs to work on his temperament, you know. I can see through him. I think there's a good person inside. No, honestly.
You just need to that you are not going anywhere. You are not leaving this house. We should even be looking for a way to run away from here.
Run away from where? Are you the one saying this thing now? Huh? He's not hurting us. He's not hurting you. He's not hurting me.
I know what I saw in my dream. I know what I saw.
You just need to chill. Relax. It's not happening.
You're not leaving this place. I will never agree. God forbid that you leave this house.
Who is your elder sister now? You or me?
You know I cannot give you their address without asking them first.
Oh, Didi, please now. Please. You know that if they know it is me that is asking, you know now. You know, I truly, I regret the way I treated them. Seriously, I don't have peace anytime I remember it. Seriously.
You're not supposed to have peace, with the way you treated them.
Didi, don't be like that now. See, I beg you, I'm not going there to make trouble. I really want to apologize to them and then pay them the money that I owe them. Yes.
No problem. I'll give you the address, but do not get them angry.
Cross my heart. My guy. Thank you.
It's fine. It's okay. Always treat people right.
We brought the bag to return it to you. But you shut us out and warned us never to come anywhere close to you. So we were so scared. Believe me, please. It was never our intention to steal your money. Please, I beg you. Please.
You kept quiet. All this time. You kept quiet and watched me suffer. You watched me almost lose my mind. And you had my money. I lost my most valuable property because of this. I was almost rendered homeless because of this. And you had my money.
We were so scared. I was so scared because at the time we already have started spending the money and we didn't know how to tell you the truth. I swear it. I wanted to return the money, but I had no choice. I didn't want to appear as the same peasant, reckless, stinky peasants that you never want to associate yourself with. We wanted to appear more appealing to you and we were so scared. Please.
Shut up! You be thief. Be into you be thief. Bloody thieving sister.
Shut your mouth! Shut up! If you had done your job, we wouldn't be here in the first place.
Boss, but I still run them now. I brought you to them. I brought you to where the money is. I suppose I'll give me small credit.
Henry, I am done with you. I am done with your ineptitude. Leave.
Boss, I beg now. I beg.
Get out.
Boss, we have come a long way. You cannot allow this to...
Get out! Come here, come. I do not ever want to see you anywhere near any of my property, anywhere they may be. I do not need to remind you what would happen if I see you anywhere near my property. You know what will happen?
But boss, now we have come a long way.
Get the fuck out of here! You stupid! Get out! And you too.
Yes, please.
You stole my money. And you started lavishing it immediately. God, I should have known that. How did I not see this coming? You know what? Every single thing that you stole my money to get, I'm going to take all of them back. The house, the car, the boutique, and these expensive hairs you've been disguising yourselves with. Take them off now. Take them off. Take them off. Goodness, how was I not able to figure out that it's the same wretched, stinky bastards that have been polluting my construction site that stole my money? Listen to me. I'm going to leave now. By the time I return, the only thing I want to find missing is the both of you. If I look for one pin in this house, I believe you know me.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Trapped in the world of an empty space, stuck in a page, can't get out of my head. Confused in my thoughts and wrapped around my head. I'd give up my all, energy if I spent all my life. I wanna be the man for you, falling so deep, losing my sense of my life. I've never felt like this for anyone, falling so deep, I'm losing my sense. I wanna learn to love you more. Teach me to love you, lead me away. I wanna learn to love you more. Teach me to love you, lead me away. I wanna learn to love you more. Teach me to love you, lead me away. I wanna learn to love you more. Teach me to love you, lead me away. Trapped in the world of an empty space, stuck in a page, can't get out of my head. Confused in my thoughts and wrapped around my head. I'd give up my all, energy if I
still at the shop? Please, we need your help again. You know I was not able to tell you how we make that money. But please, we need to come back to your house. I beg you, please. I'm just trying to find a way on how to leave, please. Please.
Please stay.
I don't understand.
Yes. Please. I came to ask for your forgiveness. I am really sorry. I'm sorry for everything I've done to you and your sister, the way I treated you both, and for all the things you had to go through in life because of men like me. Please forgive me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for taking your money. It was never our intention to take your money. Please, but I promise you now I'm going to do whatever I can to pay you in full. I still have part of the money I haven't touched. Please, I'm so sorry.
I don't need the money. Yeah, good thing is, I sorted it out. And for everything I've lost, let it be the price I pay for my lifestyle. Listen, all I want now is you. You are worth way more than all the wealth in this entire world put together.
What?
You are a godsend to my life. You made me who I am today. You changed me. In my darkest moment, when the whole world was against me, even though I wronged you times and times again, you still somehow kept faith. Thank you.
I need to do the right thing. I need to pay you back. I'm sorry, please.
The dates we never had. Can we please do it again? And this time, I promise not to yell at anyone on our way.
Okay, yeah, we can. I'm sorry, please.
I'm sorry too. Can I get a hug?
Falling so deep, losing my sense of my life. I've never felt like this for anyone. Falling so deep, I'm losing my sense. I wanna learn to love you more. Teach me to love you, lead me away. I wanna learn to love you more. Teach me to love you, lead me away. I wanna learn to love you more. Teach me to love you, lead me away. I wanna learn to love you more. Teach me to love you, lead me away. Trapped in the world of an empty space, stuck in a page, can't get out of my head, confused in my time.